My Crypto Radio News.
Daniel Leon, co-founder of bankrupt cryptocurrency platform Celsius Network, announced that he resigned days before the sale of Celsius assets by auction. As lawsuits against the company are pending, court documents revealed Celsius had a total debt of more than $6.7 billion, with the company's remaining assets amounting to approximately $3.9 billion. It remains unclear how the safe financial imbalance at the resulting $2.8 billion deficit will be completed. In the same way, it remains unclear what kind of repayment and aggregate investors will receive. It is known that FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried is interested in the remaining assets of the company. Tesla CEO Elon Musk changed his mind again about buying Twitter. Musk, who withdrew his offer to the social media giant, offered to continue the acquisition deal with an initial offer of $54.20 per share, according to Bloomberg's report. According to people who do not want to reveal their names, Musk conveyed his offer in a letter to Twitter. Twitter share rose as much as 18% after Musk's acquisition news. Dogecoin was also positively affected by the development. Cryptocurrency has increased by 10% in a short time. Mike Novogratz, CEO of digital assets investment company Galaxy Digital, suggests that there may be some reversal for stocks in October due to the Fed's interest rate hikes, which continues its hawk stance to control rapidly increasing inflation. The Fed will definitely raise rates a few more times, Novogratz said. The market has resolved that if the world starts to break down, the Fed will have to react like the Bank of England did, he said. Novogratz has argued that Bitcoin will likely trade at $500,000 in the next 5 years. Anthony Scaramucci, founder of global investment firm Skybridge Capital, he stated that he believes the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's and Commodity Futures Trading Commission's announcement in the regulatory space can act as a catalyst and cause the cryptocurrency to start acting on its own. On the other hand, Scaramucci said cryptocurrencies appear to be linked to the Nasdaq exchange and risk assets until the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission's, and lawmakers then action to create more clarity in crypto-related regulations. The famous investor also underlined that the overall market fell by close to 10% and Bitcoin fell by about 3.7% last month, emphasizing that last month was a little better. Japan's Prime Minister Fumio Kishida announced that his country's growth strategy now encompasses Web3-related growth, including metaverse and NFT-related developments. Kishida said the cabinet will also support initiatives to increase the use of Web3 services that leverage metaverses and NFTs, while pointing to a plan to digitize national identity cards. Japan's Prime Minister said the country's technological investments will boost the development and production of semiconductors as part of joint effort with the United States. Saying that his government is working on laws regulating the technology industry, Kishida noted that institutional reforms have been made them aim to encourage the development of new services, including Web3-related infrastructure. Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, one of the large cryptocurrency exchanges in the USA, announced a documentary about the good, bad, and ugly aspects of startup. Brian Armstrong shared on social media account on October 4 that they are working on a documentary about the rapid rise of bitcoins and the events encountered in its journey, and will be released on Friday, October 7. In his CEO statements, he stated that starting a company takes great determination and is uncomfortable in many ways, but making an impact on people's living is worth it. He stated that the main purpose of the documentary was to encourage people who feel like him. After the decision of the European Parliament, one of the most important components of the European Union to prevent tax evasion on cryptocurrencies, another much more important bill passed this morning. Make with the short-term regulation of crypto assets markets, which has been one of the regulations that the crypto money industry has talked about the most since February. Another component has been a cap by European Council. Despite the approval of the Council of Europe, MiCA has a long way to go. First of all, MiCA will be present to the votes of the European Parliament debates next week. If the bill is a cap here as well, it'll enter into force in 2024 at the earliest. The bill will be voted on by European Parliament's Committee on Economic Affairs on 10 October. Terra co-founder Daniel Shin, who will testify in the South Korea Parliament on the Terra collapse, announced that he will not attend the parliamentary session. The reports state that Shin cited not the affect the ongoing investigation as the reason for attending the session. Shin also claimed that the left Terraform last before the collapse and completely cut ties with his founder, The One. Prepared by my Crypto Radio News Center, we have transferred the news. Happy day, everyone.